Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Shokz OpenComm or OpenComm UC, the first generation of this bone conduction headset, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this headset's not working for some reason, like it's not pairing with Bluetooth, or it's not connecting to your phone or to your computer or to your Android or anything like that. A factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. Now the other reason you might want to do this is if you want to set this up someplace new and you just want to get a fresh start by wiping everything off of it, deleting the pairing history and everything like that, this will go ahead and do this for you. So since we're doing that, we're going to go ahead and delete it off of anything we've had it paired with in the past, and when we pair it, we're going to pair it as a new device. But we're going to, on the actual headset itself, we're going to start with the headset turned off, and we're going to start by putting it in pairing mode, which is pressing and holding this volume up button for about 5 seconds until the light blinks red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, and the headset says pairing. From there, we're just going to come in and we're going to simultaneously hold the volume up, volume down, and the multifunction button on the other earbud. Just press and hold those for about 3 seconds until you get 2 beeps and a little vibration out of the headset, which means it has been reset. Now we can release the buttons. All we need to do now is turn it off, turn it back on, and then go ahead and set it up like a new set of headphones.